To this session, today we are discuss about the different structural design used in the elevator system like machine roomless, and mini machine room. First one is machine room. So machine room is a area where the elevator drive units and control units and main disconnected switch are located. So drive unit is a machine of the elevator, and this is the controller unit, and all the switches like ELCB and main switches, everything is located in the machine room. So typically for residential elevator, a machine will be located on the lowest landing as possible to the elevator hoistway. If they are located in a room or space containing other machinery and equipment essential to the operation of the building, traction elevator machine room are usually located directly above the hoistway of the elevator. So this is our hoistway. Our machine room is directly located above the machine room. Hydraulic elevator machine room mostly located on the ground floor. In many machine room case, so depend on the dimension of the shaft. So this is our exact dimension of the shaft. We design same size of the machine room. So you consider. So you see, this is our exact dimension of the hoistway. Above that we have same dimension of the hoistway. But in this condition, the machine room is not same exactly in the size of hoistway. So that is a major difference. So that's why we are implementing many machine room here. So that will reduce the size of the machine room and the machine size also. And in MRL case, so this is our MRL elevator. This is entire shaft. Our machine is located in the ISMB beam or machine base. So the MRL elevator is now available. Advanced motor technology has reduced the size of machines. So this system machine installed in the hoistway overhead. So this is our hoistway overhead. So this system machine installed in the hoistway overhead thus eliminate the machine room. So the major advantages of the MRL: building cost saving, save space of the building and no machine room requirement, flexible placement of the control unit, reduce motor size and weight, and reduce energy consumption. So these all are the major advantage of MRL. So nowadays most of the elevator companies are preferred only the MRL because of customer requirement. So the customer don't want to extend the machine room and they are not spend money on that. They need compact size of elevator system and all. And that bring me to the end of my presentations. Let me give you a summary of what I have been talking about over the last 5 minutes. Number 1, machine room construction. Number 2, mini machine room construction. Number 3, machine room less construction. I hope everyone understood about the basic structures of the elevator system. In future we can discuss briefly about this entire system. Thank you.